Let's talk about what storing forward means in a SCADA system. So, whether you're using Adviva, Wonderware, or Ignition, or some other SCADA platform, if it's connected to a database, that's a great thing. So, normally when you're polling your tags or your objects, you want to store that data in a database for retention purposes, or to query the data later, and just for other different systems, usually. But let's say your SCADA system loses connection to the database, maybe it's talking over TCP or something, and you lose that connection. Well, what happens to all that data you're logging? So you're going to have something called storing forward. So it kind of sounds like what it sounds like. So your SCADA system is still going to collect all that data and put it into like a buffer or a disk for a while that database connection is faulted or disconnected. And the point of this is, while you're trying to actively get the database restored, you're not losing historical data. It's being stored somewhere. And once the connection is restored back to the database, it dumps it all back in and you're good to go. But but that's the big thing about storing forward. The problem is, if you don't have alarms set up for it or something, and you've been in storing forward for like multiple weeks, that could be a lot of data you're missing out on. So